Learn English to Gujarati thinking verbs, to weigh up to derive with.
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
Welcome, brave thinker. Hey, you are about to learn some seriously smart words without becoming seriously boring. We will keep it practical, memorable, and just silly enough to stick. Today you will meet 8 useful English to Gujarati thinking verbs. They are, to weigh up,
તોલવું.
put into perspective,
પરિપ્રેક્ષ્યમાં મૂકવું.
to substantiate,
મજબૂત આધાર આપવો.
clarify,
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
to make more specific, also,
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
differentiate,
ભેદ કરવો.
classify,
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
and derive.
ઉત્પન્ન કરવું.
Yes, your brain is now wearing glasses and carrying a clipboard. A very dramatic office meeting. Imagine you are in a meeting where nobody knows what they are doing, but everyone has a notebook and confidence. Perfect learning conditions. Your boss enters and says, "Before we decide, we need to weigh up the options." In Gujarati, that is,
તોલવું.
imagine your boss literally holding 2 samosas on a balance scale. Then another colleague panics and says, "This one typo will destroy the company." You calmly say, "Let us put this into perspective." In Gujarati,
પરિપ્રેક્ષ્યમાં મૂકવું.
the typo is now tiny. The drama is still huge. Then the intern makes a wild claim, "Our coffee increases productivity by 900%. You ask for evidence to substantiate the claim.
મજબૂત આધાર આપવો.
Coffee may help, but probably not that much. Someone explains the project so badly that even the whiteboard looks confused. You ask them to clarify.
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
But wait, it is still vague. So you ask them to make it more specific, which here is also.
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
Same Gujarati phrase, double usefulness. Now you need to differentiate facts from guesses.
ભેદ કરવો.
Important skill in meetings and also on the internet. After that, you classify the documents into groups.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
Bills here, reports there, mysterious sticky note under, unexplained. Finally, from all the notes and data, you derive a conclusion.
ઉત્પન્ન કરવું.
Congratulations! You have survived the meeting and learned 8 verbs. Quick meanings, no panic. Let us lock in the meanings fast. You listen, smile wisely, and maybe nod like a philosopher who just found their keys. To weigh up means to compare options before deciding.
તોલવું.
Put into perspective means to see something in a bigger context.
પરિપ્રેક્ષ્યમાં મૂકવું.
To substantiate means to support with proof or evidence.
મજબૂત આધાર આપવો.
Clarify means to make something clear.
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
To make more specific also means to make it clearer and more exact.
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
Differentiate means to tell things apart.
ભેદ કરવો.
Classify means to put things into categories.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
Derive means to get or infer something from a source, clue, or example.
ઉત્પન્ન કરવું.
Mini dialogue drill. Now let us make the words move. Repeat mentally, out loud, or with the confidence of a movie detective. A. Should I decide right now? B. No, first.
તોલવું.
The options. A. This mistake feels enormous. B. Try to.
પરિપ્રેક્ષ્યમાં મૂકવું.
It. A. Do you have proof? B. Yes, these facts.
મજબૂત આધાર આપે છે.
A. I do not understand your point. B. Let me.
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
A. Your answer is too vague. B. Okay, I will.
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
A. These 2 ideas look similar. B. We need to.
ભેદ કરવો.
Between them. A. These papers are a mess. B. Let us.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
Them first. A. Can you get a rule from these examples? B. Yes, I can.
ઉત્પન્ન કરવું.
The rule. Memory tricks with unreasonable images. Because normal memory is unreliable, we will use ridiculous images. Your brain loves nonsense almost as much as it loves snacks. 4.
તોલવું.
Picture a chicken in glasses weighing life choices on a golden scale. 4.
પરિપ્રેક્ષ્યમાં મૂકવું.
Imagine a giant picture frame shrinking your giant problem into a tiny marble. 4.
મજબૂત આધાર આપવો.
See a weak argument lifting weights until it becomes a courtroom bodybuilder. 4.
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
Imagine wiping steam off a mirror and suddenly seeing the answer, and maybe your shocked face. 4.
ભેદ કરવો.
Picture a robot trying to tell salt from sugar and learning the hard way with tea. 4.
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
Imagine a librarian sorting a million socks by genre. Yes, sock poetry goes on the top shelf. 4.
ઉત્પન્ન કરવું.
See a detective pulling a glowing answer out of a tiny footprint. If that happens in real life, call science. Challenge round. Time for a quick test. No stress. If you miss one, your chair is not allowed to judge you. What is the Gujarati for to weigh up?
તોલવું.
What is the Gujarati for put into perspective?
પરિપ્રેક્ષ્યમાં મૂકવું.
What is the Gujarati for to substantiate?
મજબૂત આધાર આપવો.
What is the Gujarati for clarify?
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
What is the Gujarati for to make more specific?
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
What is the Gujarati for differentiate?
ભેદ કરવો.
What is the Gujarati for classify?
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
What is the Gujarati for derive?
ઉત્પન્ન કરવું.
One last smart scene. Let us finish with one smooth recap story so the words stick together. Think of it as the grand finale, but with fewer fireworks and more vocabulary. You walk into a study room to prepare for a debate. First, you
તોલવું.
the arguments on both sides. Then you
પરિપ્રેક્ષ્યમાં મૂકવું.
the problem by looking at the bigger picture. To make your case stronger, you
મજબૂત આધાર આપવો.
with evidence. When your notes are messy, you
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
the main point and then
સ્પષ્ટ કરવું.
again to make it more specific. Next, you
ભેદ કરવો.
between facts and opinions. After that, you
વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
your examples into neat groups. Finally, from all that work, you
ઉત્પન્ન કરવું.
a strong conclusion. Look at you, very scholarly, mildly dangerous, friendly conclusion. Nicely done. You just trained your brain with some high-level Gujarati thinking verbs, and your brain did not even file a complaint. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
તોલવું. પરિપ્રેક્ષ્યમાં મૂકવું. મજબૂત આધાર આપવો. સ્પષ્ટ કરવું. ભેદ કરવો. વર્ગીકૃત કરવું.
And
ઉત્પન્ન કરવું.
out loud and in your own sentences. Come back, repeat the chapter, and practice a little every day. You are doing great.